8 minus 9 gives us negative 1. And here we have again 8 minus 9, and it gives us negative 1. And negative 1 times negative 1 is just 1, because negative times negative is positive. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so here is the order of operation. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, and then exponent, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. So if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, because multiplication has third priority. Multiplication has greater priority than subtraction. So we have to solve multiplication before subtraction. So in our problem, we have one parenthesis, one subtraction, and one multiplication. Here we have multiplication, right? So if a number is next to parentheses, that means multiplication. So let's do the math correctly. So 8 minus 9 gives us negative 1. And 8, the problem becomes 8 minus 9 times negative 1. And here we have a multiplication and subtraction problem. So according to the rule, we have to do the multiplication first. So 9 times negative 1 gives us negative 9. And 8 minus negative 9 is equal to 17, because negative is going to be positive. These two negative is going to be positive, and the answer is going to be positive number. And the final answer to this question is 70.